How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make this oak shoe rack. If you want to see how it's made, stay tuned and I'll be glad to show you. So for this shoe rack, I'm going to be making everything out of oak. I went ahead and picked up some oak 1x2s and I just got 2 of them that are roughly 8 feet long. And then I also picked up some dowels, and these are 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and then they're about 3 feet long in length. So this should be all the wood I need. I can go ahead and start cutting everything up. And with all my 1x2s cut to their final size, I can go ahead and assemble everything. And for that, I'm going to be using just some simple dowel joinery. It's going to make a really nice strong joint, and it's going to be super simple to do. Okay, got the dowel drill there. So I have my leg and my side piece, which I just drilled the holes in, and I installed these dowel centering pins. Then I like to just take a piece of scrap wood here, butt it up so I know it's nice and flat, push it up here, and then push it together. And that's gonna transfer the markings over so I can drill it onto this piece. And then you just repeat the process for all your pieces. For my middle one here, I went ahead and marked up 13¼ of an inch from the bottom. Just got my scrap piece here to make sure it's lined up, and then go ahead and push it into position. Now sometimes you might need to use a mallet and tap that, but most of the time I can just do it by hand. So at this point I have all the holes drilled for my dowels to go in. I'm ready to add the glue. Now before you do that, you want to do a dry fit of everything and make sure it fits together nice and snug instead of running into that issue when you have wet glue and it's just a big mess then. So I also went ahead and added some masking tape at all the glue joints just to help eliminate some of that glue squeeze out, and I should be all set to go ahead and glue everything together. So now both of my side pieces are glued up, and the next thing to do is go ahead and head over to the drill press, and that's where I'll drill some holes for the dowels to go. And now I can cut my dowels down to their final size, and that's gonna be 25 inches long. And when I make repeated cuts, I like to set up a stop block on my table saw just so I can make sure everything is the exact same length. So I have all my dowels cut to their final size now. I went ahead and test fit everything and we got a nice fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the glue. And after applying that last coat of lacquer, this shoe rack is all set and ready to go. Now this is actually designed off one that my friend had. He wanted me to remake a new one for his house. So it is a little bit smaller than most people would probably make it, but if I did make this for my house, I'd probably add another leg on the side and pretty much make it twice as big or something like that. So hopefully this project kind of just gets the ideas going. And if you guys like it, as always, hit that big thumbs up button. Subscribe for more woodworking videos. I'm going to stick with every other week, even though I know it didn't work out that well, but I'm going to keep trying to go for it. So I'll see you guys hopefully every other Tuesday.